Mr. Collector and the team of his officers, you have called a public hearing today in Ravindra Bhavan. The definition of public hearing is each and every person has a right to come and explain to you and raise his objection. What is happening today, it appears to be a private hearing. People are outside and very selected people are inside. The demand of the people, they called us there. Their demand is send your officers to each and every Gram Panchayat and ask them to prepare this plan in consultation with the Panchayat. Because this deals with the future of our state. Our next generation will question us what you are doing when this CZMP plan was being finalized. What are we going to answer them? They will ask us whether you are sleeping. And that is why we have come to give you the clear picture that people are of the firm opinion in this state that this CZMP plan should be prepared in consultation with the panchayats. There are many panchayats who have raised objection. Gram Sabhas have raised objection. And what is the farce of holding this hearing? For whom you want to hush this up? What heavens will for? There is a code of conduct going on for elections. We are busy in our own elections and you are holding hearings here. What is the purpose? What heavens will fall? You go and tell the people who are asking you to hold this that there is a total dissent amongst the people. People are outside. This is the first time I am seeing for the public hearing. Public is outside and few people are inside. And you call this a public hearing. Public hearing is a hearing where each and every thought, each and every objection has to be noted down and recorded. I please request all of you. You are part of the Goa's administrative section. So you please take this into consideration. Postpone the hearing or scrap the hearing and start the process all over again.
Yes.
And we hope that you are recording, that leader of opposition is here. Please record it. Please record that the MLAs can
You better ask him. First of all, let him recognize your presence. Let him recognize your presence here.
Today, representing of the collectors, are you recording the objections what we have come here? All are recorded.
then call other people also. Read out. Ask him. Sir, unregistered people can speak. Sir, unregistered people can speak.
We made it clear. Only if you come on the stage, it will be recorded.
Sir, unregistered people can speak.
As far as elected representatives of the state assembly are concerned, I don't think they will have guts to say that our things are not recorded. We have come here to give voice of the people. It is the responsibility of the opposition to take the government voice of the people of the state. So there is no question.
Let them record. Let them say.
They have said that whatever we have spoken is put on the record.
So please stay here till they.
I believe the collector.
Sir, please tell them to finish this one fast. Please stay here. Tell them to finish this fast. Sir, before they keep us in five.
Now, opposition leaders come, they should have listened to it.
They must have been given direction.
Yes, that is true. They are perfect.
We went to the Moscow, deputy collector's office, just to tell him that see, today we have met the collector, given a representation to her, and we have come with a copy to you to say that postpone this hearing because you cannot apply 2 land acquisition acts for a stretch of land. He made us wait for half an hour outside the gate. This can never happen in Goa. I ask him what he is doing now. Do you know how to deal with the MLA, how to deal with the elected representatives?
आज कितना पर्यंत टका पाहिजे आज कितना पास नाही
तो आन्सर दे ना थोडंसं बघा फॉलो अप कर
तो हांव हांगा दवरपाक सोदता कित्याक स्पिकर जे आशिल्ले तितले नांव काडली पळोवंक पाहिजे ना काबार जालें स्पिकर
Nice giving you a date.
15 म्हणतो मागीर काबार करता
What date is 15?
till the 15 कितें आहा
15 March.
आता सांगा मेना काबार करता ही गोयला हे
They will have to give the factual report. They cannot give the false report.
सगळे स्पिकर आशिल्ले ते जाले काबार काबार मिटींग
They called out, they did, as per the, people are outside, no? Huh?
they are the main
That they won't note, no? That they won't note, no? Personal hearing. They called us only.
Whatever the decision, let him close the meeting now.
They is special people.
They must have got direction from the office.
Yeah.
Only ask them what is their intention. Do now. You ask them.
all the speakers are nobody has gone but they are not kept the desk. They were supposed to keep a desk on the morning to register on the spot, which was not there.
Hello. Mike.
चालू कोण बोलतो चालू नाही
I think elector you must keep his audience and close it and go. I told you people are not going to accept what you are doing today. And we are there till we are dying. Hello. Hello. You must listen this. You must go to the villages here in the Panchayat and do the plan. Otherwise, we are not going to accept this. This is the third time I am repeating to you.
ना आता टायमिंग तुम्ही दिल्ले पळय टायमिंग कितले सांजे 5 पर्यंत दिल्ले व्हॉट वॉज द टायमिंग गिवन so now I think the speakers are now all the speakers are over according to your timetable then why are you continuing
Now since all the speakers have already over, nobody is coming, and there is unanimous decision from the part of all the registered speaker that they have only one point to be conveyed, that the hearing should be taken at the village level. Yes. Besides that, they have no. So accordingly, we will minute this and we will read the minutes, and we will conclude. We will also minute it that honorable MLAs also participated and they also conveyed the same feelings. Accordingly, minutes are prepared and we will read out the minutes of this meeting.
I think that is fair enough if you put the actual position on the record because ultimately you are also part of the system in Goa so anything done equal responsibility comes to you also
Right from 10:30 to now, whatever feelings, whatever suggestions, whatever things expressed, we will minute it the same way which the people have expressed, and also the feelings which are conveyed by the honorable MLAs we will minute it and accordingly we conclude this.
One
meeting
more thing.
by reading the minutes.
One more thing you will have to put on record, that you were not able to give entry to hundreds of people inside. Thousands of people. See, notice was given for a public hearing by publishing in a newspaper. Based on that, thousands of people who have interest at heart of the state of Goa, they have gathered here. Now you have closed down, like we were stopped from entering in the deputy collector's office when we went to give a memorandum. 5 MLAs had gone to give a memorandum at Vasco to the deputy collector after we met collector in the morning. But he said he's busy, doing hearing, holding hearing, and they had locked the gate, made us wait for I am there in politics for 27 years. I have never seen such type of disrespect to the leader of opposition and the members of the legislative assembly. I asked that deputy collector whether he has fallen from heaven or he has come from the service. If he has come from service, he should know the business rules, how to respect the elected representatives. And that is why what I am saying, that you also put on a record that thousands of people were outside the Ravindra Bhavan trying to come inside, but they were stopped from coming inside. And only so many people entered inside and deposed before us. I think this you should also put on record so that sentiments of the people are carried to them. This is our response.
One more point where some of the stakeholders are not able to represent today. And from where that 150 came, when there is so much of SOP for carnival, for other issues, for other functions, why only here 150? So you put those valid objections. How long will you take to close this now meeting with the minutes? So you are reading the minutes. Yeah. So how long will it take?
15 minutes, sir, to draft the minutes.
We'll wait. We'll wait.
To read it in
We'll wait.
opening and explain to the people, and accordingly we conclude.
Wait.